Hi, and welcome to our new journalist search. We've made finding the right journalist for your story easier than ever by assigning each journalist custom pills that describe exactly what they cover. These pills are designed to capture a journalist's real reporting focus, not just their official titles. The pills are these coloured boxes here. There are several different types defined by colour. Let's go through what they are. So blue ones are topic pills. Purple ones are entity pills, so these are people, places, events that journalists are covering. If you're unsure what any of the pills mean, you can hover over the pill and it will give you a little explanation of what that pill is. We've also got yellow pills, which are job role pills, light blue pills, which are outlet type pills, and green pills, which are coverage location pills. You'll also see grey pills, which are custom searches that you have made. Now, for things like the job role pill, while a journalist's official title might be writer, if they mainly cover sports, then they're going to have the sports writer job role pill. Likewise for location, while someone's official location might be Utah if they work for a Utah-based television show, their location pill might be Salt Lake City if that's the coverage area they mainly report on. To search, you simply type the topic you're interested in into the search bar and then apply any filters that you want. There are no limits to the topics you can search for. Because all of the pills are custom designed, you can search for literally any topic you want or any combination of topics and get returned a list of relevant journalists. The search is meaning-based, not keyword-based, which means the search will understand what you mean by the topic you've typed and then return journalists based on that. So as an example, I've searched for Puff Daddy here, and the search is returning me journalists also who've talked about Diddy and also Sean Combs, because the search understands that's what I mean by Puff Daddy. Now I'm going to go through some more examples of the different types of searches you can make to help you understand the full power of the search. The first one I've done is I'm looking for local events, and then I've filtered to Dallas, Texas and television. So this would be a really great list if you're looking for local coverage of an event that you're running in Dallas. Next up is interior designer profiles. So you can see this is quite a specific topic, but I'm still getting returned relevant journalists. And this is great if you had a client who was looking to get a full feature article written on them in this space. The next one, I've just searched for beauty editors, and then I'm going to show you how you can iterate on searches. So here I'm going to add style and fashion topic pill to my search, and this is going to return me beauty editors who are also covering style and fashion. So I use the plus here to add the topic pill to my search. You can also use the magnifying glass to create a brand new search. Next up, I made a search for Gen Z and mental health, and this is returning me journalists who cover both topics. So for example, I've got Melissa, who was writing articles on burnout in Gen Zers. So you can see how she's covering both those topics simultaneously, and that's why she's showing up. The next search I made was for one pill, just Gen Z workplace, and then I filtered it to high impact journalists. So this would be a great search if you had some kind of expert commentary or a study on how Gen Z behave in the workplace. And you can see here I used one topic pill. I could also have used two topic pills, so when you're using the search, you can have a play around with different combinations of pills to see which one returns you the best results. Once you've run your search, you can click into any journalist profile to see all the information about them at a glance. So I've got articles they've been writing related to the search that I've made. I've got all of the other pills which are associated with them. To create a media list, you simply tick the box next to the journalist's name you're interested in, and you can add them to a list up here. We also have some map functionality, so you can switch from table to map. And what you can do here is you can zoom into any location that you want. So I'm going to pick Los Angeles and the surrounding areas, and then I've got my topic already typed up here. So I want journalists who are covering real estate within this area. I can select search this area, and then I will get returned a list of journalists who are covering real estate in the area that I've selected on the map. I can then go back to the table and I can view all the results in table form. So this is really useful when you want to get coverage from areas which you wouldn't typically be able to type in within the location filter. And that's it for our quick tour of the journalist search, just to show you the new features that we have and how you can use it. We also have a very comprehensive help article on the journalist search, which you can read to get more detailed information on how exactly it works. And we also have guides on things like the new location search and building regional media lists, as well as more information on the different pills that we have and how you can best search with them.